Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and going directly to your activity log. This is where watch events live. First, open your profile, tap the menu, then choose Activity Log. Once there, use the filter menu to select videos you've watched. This narrows the list to only relevant entries. Make sure you're signed into the correct account because the log is account-specific. You're now positioned to remove entries selectively or clear the full watch list in the next step. Now you'll remove items precisely. Scroll through the filtered watch list and locate videos you want gone. Press the three-dot menu beside each entry. Once opened, choose Delete or Remove from History to remove that single watch event. If you prefer bulk actions, on desktop you may see a Clear Video Watch History option. Use it to wipe all entries at once. After deleting, refresh the activity log to confirm the entries no longer appear so you know the action completed successfully. Finish by clearing any remaining records and checking connected devices. If you want everything gone, use Clear Watch History. Once done, sign out and back in on other devices to sync the change. Make sure the Facebook app is up to date and that you cleared caches if entries persist. If a video still shows, try logging out, updating the app, or repeating the delete on desktop. Sometimes sync delays cause remnants to appear before the server confirms removal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.